Hey, what's up, guys? This is OC's Finest Garage here, and I got a tweeter kit for a 2009 Subaru Forester. As you can see, the Forester that I have does not have tweeters in it, but from what I heard, it's very easy to do, and I've yet to see YouTube videos on it. At least for 2009, 2013, I think these are all the same. It's made in Japan, so that's good. Subaru. And all you have to do, I haven't unboxed this yet, but the first thing you want to do is take off this piece, which I think all you have to do is just pry it off like that. Maybe. I'm afraid to break this thing because, that won't be good. I think. Hold on a sec. I'll let you know when I get it off. Yeah, you have to open the door. That's all. That's what you have to do. So, you see this clip right here? You're going to take it off. Which I think there is a little clip right down here. You just pull right on the bottom here. I can't do it with one hand, so I'm going to do this real quick for you guys. Hold on. Alright, yeah, you just basically just pull it off. You just have to use some muscle here. Now this is what it comes in. You got these two assemblies that look like this. They look exactly the same, so I don't think the side matters. However, with this one, this also comes with it. See how it says LH? The other one has RH. I'm assuming that's left and right. I don't know. Coronavirus is making people crazy, so I'm still out here. I don't care. And it comes with basic directions here. You get it. Like, look. It's pretty easy. So, I'm going to install this real quick. And I'm going to show you what it looks like from there. See, there we go. We got the first one installed. You just gotta put a little pressure on it. It's gonna look like that. And then it's going to fit in just like that, I believe. Yeah, just like that. Yeah. Boom. Just like that. You gotta plug it in first, which goes right there. Boom, boom. And then I'll show you the finished product. One second. And there we go. That's what it looks like. I think it's a little bit loose. I don't know if I guess, once you put the windows up, it might be a little bit tighter, but I don't know if I clamped it all the way. I still feel like there's a little tiny hole, but it should be more like that. But I guess this will do for now, just as long as it works. There we are. Both sides are done. It's that simple, guys. And it's supposed to make your sound much better. And if you guys don't obviously know the modes where you hit this, and I think to get in like theater mode or something like that, and some of the other tweaks. I put aftermarket speakers in here. No subwoofer yet. I'm gonna try to do that later on. Just wanted to get some better sound out of this car because it still sounds bad even with aftermarket speakers. I'm gonna put some sound deadening and hopefully this sounds a little better. But alright, guys, this is OC's Finest Garage. That's all I'm gonna say. And too bad I can't test this for you. It's one of those things. I'll put a link in the description from some of the stuff that I used on here. Maybe the parts number. I know the coronavirus, you might not get it, but oh well. Do it anyways. Alright, peace.